Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com today for no good reason at all except for the fact that we can. We're going to move the search, Windows key plus S. Let's see here. We're going to move search from here up to here. Might be more comfortable for some of you. Here we go. I will provide these pages in the video description. Please check it, expand it if you don't see it. Sometimes the text gets shrunk in. And I'll provide you a link to this page, which is a step-by-step guide, and this video will be embedded in it. And of course the download page where you just click on download now. Let's get at it. I've already downloaded it, so let's take a look at our download folder. Open it up, extract all, put them wherever you like. I'm going to put them on the desktop so we can find them. Nice and easy. You can put them anywhere you want. Click extract. There you go. So we have two batch files here, bottom, top. So we're going to do top because bottom is the default. We're going to right click, run as administrator, and you're probably going to get an error. Get ready. There it is. So obviously Windows is trying to protect your PC. That's not a bad thing, but we know it's okay. You can always open it with Notepad, check it for yourself if you like, but as you can see, there's your screen flash because the Explorer shell gets restarted so that you can see it in action. And press your Windows key plus S. There it is. Oh, cool. So let's say you did it, you changed your mind. Let's put it back. Right click again. Run as administrator. Windows search bottom. More info. Run anyway. And finally, yes for user account control. Let's look. And it's back right where it was. Pretty cool. So more people were interested in this than I thought, so here's a video on it. Thanks for watching. As always, everybody. See ya.